If you are looking for a cool and interesting way to make the whole family enjoy their bread toast for breakfast and even let the kids fall in love with bread toast the more, then this recipe right here is for you. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. You are all warmly welcome. I do appreciate you all. Today I want to share with you how I make my bread toast. You can as well call it bread pizza. This is an amazing recipe. I love the way that the bread melts down the throat in just a snap of fingers. You will love this. The kids will love it more. Without further ado, let's begin. First, I have my ingredients ready and I'm going to cut the vegetables first. And I'm using the red onion. You can use the white one. I'm cutting them into pieces, just in small pieces. Okay, so just keep watching as I cut all the vegetables up, and from there we continue to make our amazing bread toast or bread pizza. Go nowhere, keep watching till the end and be inspired. And you can use any vegetables of your choice. Now let's have fun cutting up the vegetables in the kitchen. Just have fun with it, okay? Enjoy. And I am deseeding the tomatoes, and it's by choice and preference. Okay, you can leave the seeds in and it's all good. The vegetables are all now nicely cut up. I'm going ahead to cut my jumbo chicken sausage. You can use turkey sausage, pork sausage, beef sausage, or any other sausage of your choice. Okay, this is nicely done. So family, we're going ahead to heat up our frying pan. Once it's heated, I'll add butter to it and let it melt. Once it's melted, I'll then go ahead and add all the chopped up vegetables to the frying pan for it to fry for about 5 minutes, and then I'll turn off the heat for it to cool down. Okay guys, go nowhere. You love this amazing breakfast recipe. The kids will love it, families will love it, you will even love it yourself. So please don't forget to give your girl a big thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to recommend this channel to friends and families who may like my recipes. Don't forget to share, comment, and if you are new, please subscribe to join this amazing family and you will not regret it. Okay, don't forget to click on the bell button as well to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos. Now family, I'm going ahead to spray some seasonings on them, and in the bottle I have chili, garlic and salt. I'm also adding my black peppercorns, all for flavor. Okay, once it's done, I'm going ahead to mix them nicely together for them to combine well. So I will let them fry for about 3 minutes and then I'll turn off the heat, okay, because I want them to release their flavors together, and this will make the bread toast amazing. Go nowhere in order not to skip a step and also be inspired, okay? So I'm going ahead to work on the bread. I'm using 8 slices of bread. You can use more or even less. And I'm going to remove the inner part of the bread just like this. Yeah, beautiful. Make sure the bread do not break apart. It can happen though, but it's not really a big deal because when that happens, you can still make things work out nicely and beautifully, okay? So now take your time, do this patiently and gently like this, and bring the bread out beautifully. Once the first one is done, keep repeating yourself until the whole bread slices are all nicely done. Now let's set it aside and continue, okay? It's all done now, so now let's clear the work surface and continue with our breakfast recipe, okay? By now, the vegetables have cooled down, so let's transfer them into a bowl, a mixing bowl, and then add our eggs, okay? This is so flavorful and aromatic. I'm adding 5 eggs. You can add more or even less. I'm loving this flavor. Beautiful. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, okay? And I really appreciate it. Also, recommend this channel to friends and families who may like my recipes. If it's your first time on this channel, hey, I would love to have you here. You are warmly welcome. Please subscribe to join this amazing family. Also, don't forget to click on the bell button to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos. Gently stir, mix to combine everything nicely together. Now let's go ahead and heat up our frying pan and add our butter. You can as well use any oil of your choice instead of the butter, but I love to use butter for my toast because I love the flavor it brings to my toast. Now we've added the bread edges and we are adding our egg mixture. Ooh, this is beautiful. I'm adding cheese and it's optional. And now we are adding the middle part of the bread. Okay, we are going to just toast it until it's golden brown or brown, okay? The color is all by choice and preference. Ooh, this is so beautiful. I love the flavor and the aroma it's giving me. Check it out. Amazing. Even if you do not like the eggs, you can opt the eggs out, okay? And use only the veggies and then the cheese, and then add any other filling of your choice like olives, pepperoni, sweet corn, chicken fillet, meat, and many more. This one is so ready, so now let's put it on the side and continue making the rest of the toast. Into the frying pan, I've added my butter and now my bread edges, and now I'm adding my fillings. It's so amazing. Level the filling up and add your cheese. It's optional, however, if you do not add it, you will not get that pizza feel. So you may just wanna add it. I'm going to let this one brown up a little bit more, unlike the first one which was golden. It smells so good. Now let's turn it over to see, and ta-da! Just like what I wanted. Brown, and it's beautiful. Again, let's turn it over, and it's also beautiful here. The flavor is everything. Family, I hope you've been inspired to try this very soon. Don't just watch the video, but give this a try. Bring me the feedback and I'll really appreciate it, okay? Ta-da! Food is served! Yes, I enjoyed mine with hot chocolate and it was really scrumptious. Thanks for watching to this point. Follow your girl on Instagram for more of these videos, okay? Like my Facebook page, follow me as well on Facebook, and Subscribe to my YouTube channel for us to build this amazing family together. Also, follow me on TikTok and let's TikTok there. You will love everything about this channel. You can make this for kids parties and I'm sure they will love it. Even family gatherings, they will all love this. This is not for only kids but for adults as well. Everybody loves this. It's so inviting and mouth-watering. Ooh, thank you all for watching to this point. I must say, I really appreciate you all for the love and support you've thrown my way ever since I started this journey. You've been there for me, and I can't thank you enough. I do appreciate you all. Please keep sharing my videos, keep commenting, keep liking my videos so that this will motivate your girl to bring you more inviting and appetizing recipes. Thank you all for watching. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good. Okay? Please follow me on Instagram, like my Facebook page. Follow me as well on Facebook. And subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new. Don't forget to also click on the bell button to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos. Yum, 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 yum. This is so milky and it just melts down the throat with no hassle. I'm so impressed and thank you all. Take care, stay blessed and stay safe. Bye all. Mwah. Kiss.